helped millions of investors make profitable trades in the market. Their daily advice will help you make the right trading calls. India's top technical analysts appear only on ET Now, India's #1 stock market channel.
Back with the FNS show right here on ET Now. Still in conversation with Sandeep Parikh, C.K.Narayan as well as Manoj Muralidharan. And C.K., let's start off with your earlier strategies and then we'll go on to the fresh ones too.
Well, from the earlier ones, we had ABB short, and since markets came down, the target in ABB is clearly met. The other one which we had long was Power Grid, which we paid something like 114, currently trading around that price. I would suggest continue to hold this. A third one which possibly could have been there is OFSS, which was trading higher when we spoke about it the last, but then it did trade down today to around the 2450, 2500, where I had suggested a buy. So maybe some people might have created a long in this as of today. If so, then 100 to 150 point stop should be held on this, with an expected target at about 2650 plus. Should I go with the new ones or?
CK, I'll just take a minute there because we've broken 5300 as well on the spot Nifty, while the Nifty futures, March futures that is, are still latching and circling around that 5350 odd mark. It's the spot Nifty which is now trading below the 5300 level, 5297, and just minutes back we hit the 5295 mark as well. CK, does this also bring about the fear that some of these stop losses would get triggered and perhaps the pain would be more evident in some of these key index heavyweight stocks?
I would probably think so, but then you see, my feeling here is that the people who are really caught on the wrong side are the retail trade and not really the larger ticket size traders. And typically retail traders are not overly fond of putting in stop losses. They actually bail out when the pain of holding it becomes far too much. So I think that is being impressed upon them as we speak and should probably continue through the rest of the day. So we should be seeing the index wind down further and inflicting further pain on the stock side. Typically, a percent move down on the index sees about 2-3% cut on the individual stocks, and I think that is what is happening today in large doses. So we should probably see that play out through the day.